Hey y'all, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I will be doing a acrylic nail tutorial using a custom glitter mix and Valentino's cover powder in dragon fruit. This is a really pretty cover powder from Valentino. It is like a semi-translucent medium pink color, a little bit sheer, but you can definitely build it up, and it's a really pretty cover. It's a really pretty cover color. I highly recommend it. It's called Dragon Fruit. It is a little bit on the sheer side though, but I really liked it for these nails. These are XXL acrylic nails, you guys, and I had so much fun doing these. I did another XXL acrylic nail set on the last video I uploaded. These are C-curve nail tips that I got from AliExpress. And what I'm doing here, I'm using a size 20 flex brush. This is a Kolinsky acrylic brush, and I am just capping in the glitter that I used on the free edge. That was a custom glitter mix that I made. It has tons of iridescent glitters in there, some pinks and light blues, and some butterflies as well. Perfect for summer, so I thought these nails would be really cute summer nail set. Yeah, I'm going in with Koopa Odorless Monomer, and I do have acetone in there, and I like to change my acetone ratio when I'm using odorless monomer. If I see that it is setting too quickly, I'll add in more acetone, and if I see that the acrylic is setting too slowly and is really runny, then I will add in more acetone, and if it is too dry, then I will add in more monomer. So I find that that really works for me. I usually use about a 60% of the monomer and then the rest acetone, and sometimes it changes. Like in the summertime when it's hot, acrylic sets faster than in the winter time, so I use more monomer than acetone. But yeah, I just changed that up, so it's really a preference and you can adjust it as you are going. I really do love this dragon fruit color. You guys can see it's like a sheared out pink color. It's really beautiful. Perfect for summer nails. Again, this is Valentino Beauty Pure acrylic, and this was one of my first few times using Valentino. I really liked it. I have tried their color powders before, and I'm not really a big fan of that. They went on more like a pigment versus an acrylic, so if you guys like that, they weren't really as moldable as acrylics are. They went more on like a pigment where you have to do a super thin layer and kind of paint it on the nail rather than mold it. But their cover powders are really good. They're super moldable. I think at their like medium setting, but with the odorless, they set really nicely. And they're really nice to blend. So I am doing this to all of the nails. And as a peel off base coat, I do saturate my nails with cuticle oil, let it absorb a little bit, and then I put on a gel top coat. Right now I'm using the Amy Lee HEMA free gel top coat and base. I'm trying to use only HEMA free products just because that is a really common nail ingredient in a lot of products, but it can cause really bad nail allergies and contact dermatitis and stuff like that. So I try to avoid it. It is difficult, but you can try to avoid it. I have found the IBD has some HEMA-free stuff, as well as if you are using gels, Light Elegance, but you have to have a license for that one. I do believe you can get it sometimes without. And then also Amy Lee, I believe that's how you say it, on Amazon. If you look, Amy Lee HEMA-free HEMA-free base gel and top coat, they come in a set, and it's like $10, and I think they're really good base coat and top coat, so I highly recommend that. The Koopa Odorless does not have monomer, does not have oh, my words are all over the place, sorry guys. The Koopa Odorless monomer does not have HEMA, so that is a HEMA-free monomer, which is really difficult to find as well, especially odorless. The Nail Supply Glamour the Nail Supply Glamour odorless monomer is not HEMA free, but I really do like it. So if that's not a concern for you guys, their odorless is also really, really great. Yeah, so I'm just doing this on all the nails. Again, I really, really loved this set. It was so much fun doing these XXL nails. And again, these do just pop off. I just do these for fun, for content. So yeah, I do have a Temu haul coming up, and I have been getting into a little bit of gel X nails, and I do have a shorter nail set coming up, like really short, cute square nails, gel X ones. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. And let me know, you guys, have you guys tried the original gel X nails, the Apres nails? And do you guys see a difference in those versus the other gel nails, gel X nails on the market? I would love to know your thoughts on that. Yeah, so that will be coming up in my videos. I'm very, very excited for that. I hope everybody is doing well and having a fabulous summer. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my video today. It truly means the world to me. I appreciate every single one of my nail sisters here on YouTube and everybody watching. Sending you guys lots and lots of love. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed, please comment down below, say hi, like the video, subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Like this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.